at module 6 now, so we're getting close to the end. Today we're going to look at the finale, the steps that we use in the finale, and we're going to practice. We'll learn a couple of steps, we'll practice them, and then we'll tag it on to the end of the choreography we've learned. I'll play the coletilla only, so we'll just go from the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we'll practice that finale movement we've just done. So we'll go again. Okay, yeah, so it's just the getting into it, and she does that thing where she starts the singing on the 10. So we can hear her start to come in with the coletilla, son los toreros. We can go into the thing. So how do you feel about that so far with the finale?
No, it's a nice. And the other one that you did where you came forward, that's like a different. You could do the different endings that you've showed us. Could go to this music.
That could too, yes.
Would you do this one and then go into the
you could, exactly, because that's a 12 count as well. So if it doesn't even really matter if just depends where you finish in the compás. And then 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can put that one on the end. Yeah. Do you feel like doing a bit more dancing? We could revise the whole choreography up to there with some sort of compás, and then put it to the new song.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So I'll just go through the steps first, then we'll do it to the solo compás and then the music. So what we start with is the marking for our salida, the 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and remate, 12, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so up to you, we can go through it one more time, or if you want to leave it there, we can.
I wouldn't mind going one more time.
Cool. I was hoping you would say that. It's kind of fun now that we've gotten the whole thing together.
Yeah, it's great.
Put it in. Okay. Play from the beginning. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We did it. Oh, it feels so good, doesn't it?
Great. So it's good. Really get it straight in there. But yeah, it's lovely. It feels really nice to be able to do the whole thing. Thank you.
Oh, my pleasure. Yes. So next week we'll be looking at some different structures for the singing, and then using the choreography that we've learnt to adapt it to the different singing. So if the singer's not singing it straight, like for example the respiro might not be there, or it might be a bit later, there might be a repeat of the second sung line, or there might not. So yeah, next week we'll be looking at what kind of
putting it together with the music. It was kind of nice having that little 6 beat in there as well, sort of hearing that.
Yes, yeah. So even though it's most typically expected to be the structure we've been looking at, getting used to listening to different ones and making our movements match the actual singing is going to be very helpful too, because even if they are singing it straight, you want to be able to have that muscle sort of memory to adapt your moves in the moment. So that's what we're going to look at next week.
Brilliant. That's great. Thank you.